Floki Inu up nearly 20%. Are we going to see Floki Inu break all-time highs this week? That's exactly what the overall crypto market is looking like, as we're seeing bullish behavior across the boards. Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're doing a deep dive on Floki Inu, a very popular meme coin that's been around since last bull run, that's doing quite successful this bull run as well. Before the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button, and also remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. We're taking a look at this beautiful chart. We can see on the week, Floki Inu up 17%, solid gains. On the month, we're up a whopping 30%. Even today, we're pumping quite decent, up 10%. A bit, I believe it was on 14% earlier. We are seeing a bit of a pullback, as it looks like people are starting to sell a bit. And we're looking on the year up whopping 600%. And we look at the all-time chart, guys. We could see Floki Inu really coming close to his previous all-time highs. Just earlier this year, it almost broke his all-time highs, and we saw a correction, and now we're setting up in this upward trajectory for Floki Inu to pump. Guys, also, if you're interested in buying a pre-sale gem, let's talk about DogeVerse for a second before we go back to Floki. DogeVerse is the world's first chain traveling Doge. So if you want to get into Floki Inu at these super early prices, this is kind of opportunity that DogeVerse is offering us right now. They raised over $15 million, as people are very bullish on this project. They have staking as well, and Doge goes in multi-chain. You buy and claim DogeVerse on the 6 following chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Base, and also Solana, which has been a very popular chain. They've been featured on a ton of different articles. It has multi-bridge utility, solid roadmap in place, and great tokenomics. Also, they're doing amazing on social media with over 20,000 followers, actively posting, engaging with the community, and people are starting to get very bullish on this project. It's almost time for us to launch, so make sure you load up a bag. This could be your last opportunity. I'm gonna link this down in the comment section below, as well in the description. But let's go back to Floki. Why do we think Floki is going to pump and break some all-time highs? Because Floki's been doing some very bullish things. We start off with a weekly recap they had. The Floki on Revolut business, the Valhalla leaks, the future of tokenization, Floki on Kraken perpendicular trades, and 15.2 billion burnt in terms of tokens, which is insane. They also got their token listed on Binance, Binance in Thailand, which is insane as well, bringing Floki to a whole new audience. With all this bullish news, we can only anticipate the growth of Floki is going to continue in that upward direction. That's why people are so bullish on this token, right? Even when we're looking at meme coins, guys, remember, Floki is still pretty high up on this list. It is currently in the top 5 position, right under DogeVerse, with a $2 billion market cap, shy about $700 million to flip DogeVerse. And again, Floki's been around since the last bull run on this entire list. Remember, Dogecoin obviously been around for a while. Pepe started last during the bear market. So same with DogeVerse is a newer project. However, Floki and Shiba Inu are 2 projects that stand the test of time. So it's, again, very bullish on there. Talking about bullish, we're looking at the technical reports, and we're seeing something amazing. Oscillators are in buy, moving averages are in strong buy. Overall summary is a strong buy, right? You pair that with all the bullish news they're having, it makes it no-brainer to load up on Floki Inu. With almost 600,000 followers, we see actively listing and community incentive building, which is massive. The massive DAO proposal, which burned 15 billion tokens, is absolutely insane. We can see the Valhalla open world live gameplay, again, very big in the play to earn space as well. Remember, this is not just a meme coin anymore. It's far past that. The people's cryptocurrency, the whole Floki ecosystem, so the Valhalla play to earn NFT metaverse, tokenization, staking, FlokiFi, NFTs, their prepaid cards, Floki Pace, Floki University. They pretty much have it all, right? And with these massive collaborations, right, and these massive exchange listings, like this is big. Obviously, the futures trade, Revolut business being live on there as well. There's some massive news that's going to really pump this to its next big all-time high. Again, just looking at that chart, we can see it's definitely having some healthy growth, some healthy pumps as well, and we're anticipating for this one to absolutely moonshot in the upcoming days. With Bitcoin back to $70,000 and people starting to ape into cryptos again, I'm very bullish on Floki Inu. Like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But let me know, how do you guys feel about Floki Inu in the comment section below? Are you bullish? Are you bearish? When do you predict we're going to see an all-time high? In my personal opinion, I think the upcoming weeks, this will definitely pump. But again, just be careful when entering. Make informed decisions. Like I said, this is not financial advice. Also, if you want to grab a bag of DogeVerse, remember, the pre-sales ending very soon. Make sure you load up. The link is in the description below. Again, not financial advice. Like always, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button. And until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.